they have given support and cooperation in sometimes voluntarily they are getting with their own ideas to execute for the sake of children. We are so happy for the what we can say. See, words are very less to describe our teachers. Every time, every year, I would like to all our teachers to be continued for the further. It's my request, ma'am. I request all our staff to continue for the next year. It's my request. Whatever may be the reasons, might have been something might have been felt bad from the administration. I will agree that, but the thing is, they have not said for the sake of their own. They might have been given some rudeness because of the sake of the children, for the sake of the school. Yes or no? Hope you will agree. You will agree what I know, that how you have accepted our challenges, our plans, our ideas. Definitely you will going to accept our rude behavior, whatever it is, what has happened to you for this year. Definitely I hope that you will understand. And teachers, you want the same teachers? Yes. Then for all of the teachers, give one huge round of applause for the teachers. And say thank you, ma'am. Thank you for everyone. Say thank you. Yeah, sit down. I think teachers feel happy when the students are praising for the teachers. So this is the time when a teacher felt so happy. When they will get this much of salary, they won't feel happy. As a principal, as a teacher, I can say that when the teacher feel, when the teacher will feel happy means when the student or the parent of the student will praise you, will get some good comment while walking on the road. Sit down, children. Sit down. The road, some other student is walking on the road and he will recognize you and he will say that she is my teacher, she has trained me this one, she has trained me the new things, she has explained the new meaning of that word. They will keep remember that one. And at the time, that is the moment when you feel happy that very good, I have chosen the field of the teacher. Yes or no? I hope everyone will understand. And thank you so much from the entire Rayan English Medium School. From the behalf of students, I am thanking all the teachers for making this academic year a huge success, ma'am. Even for the annual day celebration, what we have done here, it's a next level of our Rayan School. Thank you, thank you. I would like to call one person here on the stage now. When the school gate is also cannot be opened. I would like to say in Kannada. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾರದು? ಅಂಜಿ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಎಸ್, ಅಂಜಿ, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅಂಜಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಅಂಜಿ ಪವರ್. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗೆ ನಿಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮುಲಾಜಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಮುಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂಜಿ. ಅಂಜಿ, ಅಂಜಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬೈತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಅವ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬಯಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಅಂತ ಬೈತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ನನಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಬ್ರದರ್ ತರ ನನಗೆ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ನೆನೆಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. Give huge round of applause for Anji.